Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make the background wall and chandelier on the renderings. First, we open a solution, click on the ceiling, and find the ceiling editor. Find the wall you want to edit, then we click on Guides to map the basic position of the ceiling and the background wall. After the drawing is complete, drawing curves can be found at the top with Curve. So we're done with our ceiling. Then let's draw the auxiliary lines for the background wall. We can start by setting the diameter of the circle. Then find Curve and draw a circle with the set diameter. After drawing, we click on the line and adjust the height of the highlight. The background wall protrudes 100 and the ceiling protrudes 10,000. After that, set the light strip for the background wall. After clicking on the line, select the indented lamp bait on the left. Hold down the light belt, press the shortcut key, Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V paste. You can quickly copy and paste. Finally, modify the material. Let's take a look at the final result.